In the fall we are witnessing one of the most anticipated and dramatic events in the history of the world. Betelgeuse, the ultimate red firefly, has captured the imaginations of astronomers and astrologers for centuries. This celestial giant, the cornerstone of the Orion constellation, is nearing the end of its life, and the world is preparing for a spectacular sight. Betelgeuse's impending doom isn't just a big astronomical event. This is a place where the world can be changed. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a star as bright as the moon, a star in its part's end of life. As scientists explore each possibility, we are reminded that the world is always moving, and that movement sometimes leads to wonderful and terrifying ends. In today's video, we delve into the mysteries surrounding Betelgeuse, explore the science behind the impending supernova, and explore the potential consequences of this explosion of world on our planet and beyond. The clock is ticking and the world holds its breath as we await the inevitable. Betelgeuse, one of the most popular and recognizable stars of the night sky, lives on credit. For years, scientists have speculated about its fate, realizing that death is not a matter of if, but when. Now the idea is clear, the end is nearer than we thought. But what is so amazing about this event? What is it about Betelgeuse that has fascinated the scientific community and the world at large? The answers lie not only in the star's size and brightness, but also in the specifics of its impending doom. Could the explosion of this red giant have significant effects beyond the planetary system? As Betelgeuse's explosion neared, the whole world held its breath waiting to see what would happen. Betelgeuse's impending supernova has the scientific community on alert. This giant star that has dominated the night sky for thousands of years is about to explode. Astronomers have long known that when Betelgeuse runs out of main fuel, it will undergo changes as the star expands, engulfing the orbits of Mercury, Venus and close to Earth. Despite their best efforts, scientists can't do anything to stop the approaching supernova. The timeline remains uncertain, it could happen tomorrow, next month, or within a few months, but one thing is certain, Betelgeuse is dying, and its death will be unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed. Betelgeuse is not just any star, it is one of the largest and most prominent in the Milky Way. Located in the constellation Orion, this red supergiant is known for its massive size and varying brightness. Compared to other stars, Betelgeuse has the widest range of apparent magnitudes, fluctuating between 0.3 and 1.6. This variability has fascinated astronomers for centuries, with even ancient astronomers like the Alexandrian mathematician, astrologer, and geographer Claudius Ptolemy describing its color as more or less orange. For thousands of years, Aboriginal groups in South Australia have also told stories of Betelgeuse's changing brightness, a testament to the star's enduring impact on human culture. Red supergiants like Betelgeuse are among the most massive and largest stars in the universe, with diameters ranging from 100 million to a billion kilometers. If we put Betelgeuse next to our Sun, the star will be 100 to 1,000 times larger, a size that includes not only Mercury and Venus, but also Earth and Mars. Betelgeuse's size is hard to fathom, and the last supernova releases energy on an almost unimaginable scale. But what happens when a star like Betelgeuse reaches the end of its life? When it runs out of fuel, the star cannot generate the heat and pressure needed to support its massive mass, and it collapses and ends in a supernova explosion. When Betelgeuse explodes, the object is visible from the ground, shining like a moon, casting a shadow at night and becoming a bright spot in the sky. This supernova will be a global event of all time, an explosion so powerful that its brightness can rival the entire galaxy. The significance of Betelgeuse's impending supernova is not lost on the scientific community. While supernovae are common in the universe, they are rarely observed in real time within our galaxy. Betelgeuse's proximity to Earth, just 642 light-years away, makes it a unique opportunity for scientists to study a supernova up close. However, this proximity also raises concerns about the potential effects of the explosion on Earth. While experts assure us that the distance is sufficient to prevent catastrophic damage, the event will undoubtedly have an impact, both in terms of our understanding of the cosmos and the potential for increased cosmic radiation reaching our planet. Despite the excitement surrounding this supernova, there are still many mysteries surrounding Betelgeuse. A star's brightness is not constant, and its variations have been studied extensively. Scientists also struggled to accurately determine its diameter due to the shape of the bulge and the surrounding material ejected from the star. These challenges alone add to the intrigue of Betelgeuse and the anticipation of the final act. While we wait for Betelgeuse to explode, we remind the world of the fragility and impermanence of the most important things in life. The death of this red giant is a reminder of the cycle of life and death that governs all celestial bodies. When Betelgeuse finally goes supernova, it's not only an amazing event to watch, but it's also a moment of great scientific significance. The data collected from this explosion provides insight into the life cycles of stars, the formation of black holes and neutron stars, and the dynamics of stellar evolution. Finally, the story of Betelgeuse is an unavoidable one. Despite its size and power, this star has the same powers to control everything in the world. Although his death was tragic, it was a natural part of life's changes. As we prepare for the Betelgeuse supernova, we are reminded of how vast the universe is and our place in it. This event is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness the death of a star and marvel at the amazing powers of the universe. One of the wonders of Betelgeuse is its sudden brightness, which puzzled astronomers for years. Unlike many stars, Betelgeuse's brightness is consistent and variable, sometimes reaching levels that have led to widespread speculation about an impending supernova. At the end of 2019 and the beginning of 2020, Betelgeuse saw one of its most exciting mini-series, thanks to many discoveries and theories. Some scientists suspect that the star will shed its outer layers, creating a dust cloud that will temporarily dim the moon. Others have suggested that internal processes within the star, such as convection cells rising to the surface, are the cause of the irregular changes. Despite extensive research, the exact cause of these changes remains a mystery. Adding a layer of mystery to the star's history, the explosion of Betelgeuse was not only a great astronomical event, but also a momentous moment for humanity. Throughout history, supernovas have been observed by many peoples, often written as signs or symbols of God's help. The famous 1054 supernova that created the Crab Nebula was recorded by Chinese astronomers and possibly Native American cultures. However, Betelgeuse's supernova is the first we'll see with today's advanced scientific equipment. This will allow for unprecedented observations and data collection, which can revolutionize our understanding of stellar evolution and stellar life cycles. In addition, seeing a supernova with the naked eye can have a huge impact on popular culture, arousing the wonder and curiosity of people around the world, just like sightings of comets and showers of the past. That as we edge closer to the inevitable explosion of Betelgeuse, astronomers and scientists are gearing up for what promises to be a once-in-a-lifetime cosmic spectacle. Telescopes around the world, both ground-based and in space, are being prepared to capture every moment of the supernova, from the initial outburst to the formation of the eventual nebula that will mark the star's death. This event offers a rare opportunity for a coordinated global scientific effort, with researchers across disciplines eager to analyze the data that will emerge. Meanwhile, for the general public, the supernova could be a transformative experience, reminding us of the vastness and unpredictability of the universe. While we can't predict the exact moment Betelgeuse will explode, the anticipation itself has sparked a renewed interest in astronomy and a collective sense of wonder about the mysteries that lie beyond our planet. The countdown begins, and then Betelgeuse takes off through the sky to say his final goodbyes. Join us as we explore the mysteries of Betelgeuse, the science behind the impending supernova, and the possible effects of this planetary event on Earth. The world is full of surprises, and Betelgeuse is one of the most surprising.